In today's video, we're going to dive into the world of lightweight vacuums designed specifically for hardwood floors. If you're tired of lugging around heavy vacuum cleaners or damaging your delicate floors, then you're in the right place. We've researched extensively and compiled a list of the top 5 best lightweight vacuum cleaners for hardwood floors in 2023. So, let's get started. Number 5. Miele C1 Turbo Team Canister Vacuum. The appropriately named compact C1 Turbo Team Canister Vacuum wowed us with its super quiet operation, powerful suction, and nimble wand. On average, we only had to make 1 or 2 passes over all surfaces to eliminate debris. Replacement vacuum bags are part of the commitment with this bag canister vacuum. But it helps to know the filter bag capacity is an impressive 3.7 quarts. Plus, there's no chance of spilling dust or dirt when emptying the canister, which is good news for those who suffer from allergies. Due to their design, canister vacuums have a reputation for being quiet, but this Miele model was quiet even beyond our expectations. Keep in mind that the nearly 15-pound canister rolls along behind you as you vacuum with the wand and floor head attachment. The canister was a lot heavier than we expected during assembly and might be a hassle to haul up and down stairs. It was incredibly easy to reach under furniture and in tight spaces, though. All in all, this Miele vacuum is an excellent choice for ensuring that every inch of your hardwood floors receives a thorough cleaning. Number 4. Hoover Complete Performance Corded Bagged Vacuum. Thanks to its effective performance in the lab and its sturdy design, the Hoover Complete Performance Bagged Upright Vacuum Cleaner is an easy pick for our best upright option. It did a great job on hard floors, and it also proved to be efficient on carpet and furniture alike, picking up debris and hair in just 2 passes each. This vac also features a 15 inches cleaning path and a 25 feet power cord, so you'll likely be able to clean entire rooms without needing to change outlets, which is ideal in our book. Notably, it's also a bagged versus a bagless model. The bag design, while not seamless, is a benefit for those with allergies who don't want to be exposed to what they just suctioned up. But if you don't like the idea of purchasing extra bags, it may not be for you. Another potential downside is that, while this vacuum is efficient and sturdy, it features a slightly bulky design that requires extra effort on stairs. And though it does come with handy attachments, like an extendable hose, pet hairbrush, and crevice tool, there's no additional tool for stairs. However, given its strong suction power displayed in the lab, we're still glad to recommend it for your hardwood floors. Number 3. Shark WS642 AEWA NDVAC System. The Shark WS642 AEWA NDVAC system is an ultra-lightweight and powerful cordless stick vacuum designed to make cleaning a breeze. With its sleek white design, this vacuum not only looks great but also delivers exceptional performance. One of the standout features of the WS642AE is its HEPA empty base, which ensures that the vacuum captures and traps 99.9% of dust and allergens, providing you with cleaner air in your home. The anti-allergen complete seal technology further enhances this by preventing any particles from escaping back into the air while you vacuum. Equipped with power fins, the WS642AE delivers powerful suction that easily lifts both large debris and fine dust from your floors. The self-cleaning brush roll is another impressive feature that detangles hair and prevents it from getting wrapped around the brush roll, saving you the hassle of manual cleaning. For pet owners, the WS642AE comes with a specialized pet tool that effectively removes pet hair and dander from upholstery, carpets, and other surfaces. It's designed to tackle those hard-to-reach areas where pet hair tends to accumulate. In addition to its powerful performance, this Shark vacuum is also incredibly lightweight, making it easy to maneuver around your home. The cordless design allows you to move freely without the restriction of cords, giving you the flexibility to clean wherever you need to. Number 2. Hart Pro Bagless Upright Vacuum. This Hart Pro Bagless Upright Vacuum is proof that you don't have to break the bank for a high-quality vacuum. It held its own alongside models that cost twice much, even faring better than pricier name brands in some testing categories. It moved well across different types of flooring, and we'd even go as far as saying it was pretty effortless to move it across the hardwood floor in our lab, despite its heavier design. The swiveling head helped it maneuver around furniture and obstacles, and we liked using the wand without an attachment along the stair edges and the crevice tool on upholstery. The accessories can also be stored right on the machine itself, which we always appreciate. We had no issues with the dustbin. It's easy to remove and just takes a single push button to empty. There was some hair tangled in the brush roll, but nothing that a seam ripper couldn't handle. Other conveniences, like a light on the vacuum's head and a HEPA filter, add to its overall usability and effectiveness. Number 1. Shark Vertex Cordless Stick Vacuum. The Shark Vertex DuoClean impressed us with its performance on hardwood floors and every other type of surface, for that matter. We loved how quiet, powerful, and lightweight this vacuum is. While some vacuums scatter debris on hard floors, this Shark vacuum did not, smoothly collecting the messes we made. A bright LED light on the floor head also ensures that you can spot dirt and crumbs, making it easy to prioritize the areas of your home that need the most attention. We also like that when the rechargeable battery runs low, its LED light flashes to alert you that it's time to recharge. The fact that this cordless vac operates for up to 60 minutes on a single charge is impressive, too. The front roller is super soft and has long enough fibers to effectively grab debris in the vacuum's wide 10.6 inches cleaning path. A second roller with flexible, rubbery fins ensures that any remaining debris is also channeled into the vacuum's suction path. This model was easy to operate and maneuver, even when reaching underneath the sofa or coffee table in the lab. In fact, it's engineered so that it practically moves itself, and ultimately requires the user to exert minimal effort when pushing and pulling it. Link in the description. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment down.